My name's John, and today I'm going to be talking about the Kryptonite Crypto-Lock Fold. The Kryptonite Crypto-Lock Fold comes in two sizes, the 610, which is 100 centimeters long, and the 685, which is 85 centimeters long. Both have 5mm hardened steel bars and washers. They are rated 6 out of 10 on our security scale, making them moderate security locks and eligible for our anti-theft protection offer. Don't forget you have to register online to activate the ATPO. The Crypto-Lock Fold locks are great for quick stops in metropolitan areas and suburbs, or for longer lockups such as a couple of hours or all day in rural areas. As you would expect from Kryptonite, these locks come with a lifetime warranty and are covered with our KeySafe program. If you register your keys online, we can ship 2 keys for free globally in the event you lose them. The Crypto-Lock 610 and 685 locks fold up to be really compact, making them very easy to transport in the carrier included. The carrier also includes a rubber strap that can be amended to suit right or left-handed users. Now I'm going to talk to you about how to install the Crypto-Lock transport carrier onto your bicycle frame. There are a couple of ways to mount this carrier. You can fit the carrier using the mounting straps included anywhere on the inside of the bike frame, or you can use the provided screws to mount on the braze-ons or water bottle mount. We recommend using the braze-ons if available. When mounting only using the straps, find a location on the bike that won't interfere with anything else you have mounted or your pedal stroke. Make sure you're checking with the lock in the carrier. The lock head should always be pointing up or level. Place the mounting straps through the mounting ports on the back of the transport bracket. Wrap the straps tightly around the bicycle frame so that the bracket is tight to the frame and does not move. Make sure the screw portion is opposite the mounting ports. Take a Phillips head screwdriver to guide the screws into the mounting strap holes and tighten until snug. Make sure the carrier is secured tightly and does not interfere with your pedal stroke, brake or shift functions. Feel free to trim the excess strap material with a pair of snips. When mounting to the braze-ons, first remove any hardware. Check to ensure that the provided screws fit. If there are any issues, feel free to use the existing braze-on screws that came with your bike. Mount the carrier to the braze-ons using the holes in the bracket. Place the washer on the screw and pass through the hole in the transport bracket until it sits on the braze-on. Turn the screw a few times to ensure it is not cross-threaded. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the 2 provided screws through the bracket and into the bicycle frame until snug. The Kryptonite Crypto-Lock Fold, a flexible lock with 5mm hardened steel bars for stress-free secure lockups. It folds to be really compact in the included carrier for easy transportation. A moderate security lock, great for locking up for a quick stop in metropolitan areas or suburbs, or for longer periods of time in rural areas.